Here at Ecurie Bertelli, we're delighted to be able to offer for sale chassis TS10. This is the 10th car which Bertelli built in his new works at Feltham. It was sold directly from the 1928 motor show stand at Olympia to an Indian Maharajah, who exported it new to India. This is where it acquired its very distinctive yellow paint. The car fell into disrepair and was found in the 1990s in an Indian orchard. Ecurie Bertelli restored it to its former glory. We sourced an original T-type engine with a wet sump and is the only sports model we know to have this. This car also has fixed wings, which is another unique feature in sports models. The doors in this car open in a conventional way, unlike most cars of the era, which are hinged from the back. This car is available to buy from Ecurie Bertelli. At the moment it only has testing miles on the clock after its extensive restoration here.